Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. Welcome to our YOY calculator demonstration, also known as year-on-year growth calculator. So today we will show you how this tool can help you calculate the annual growth rate for a project. Let's dive right in. By calculating the YOY growth rate, businesses can eliminate the effects of seasonality and fluctuations, providing a useful comparison of values. It is particularly valuable for businesses that experience seasonal variations or sales cycle fluctuations, as it helps measure long term performance while accounting for those factors. It can be beneficial for various industries, including but not limited to retail, real estate, technology, finance, manufacturing, service based businesses. It can help you measure revenue growth and customer acquisition, assess portfolio performance, analyze property value, track sales growth, and identify trends in consumer behavior. So, the advantages are unlimited. So, to calculate your YOY growth rate, here in our calculator, you have two input fields, which is year one and year two. Year one value reflects the value of the metric you want to analyze for the first year. Year two value, the value of the same metric for the second year. So let's assume this is the value of your previous year, and this one, year two, is your current year's value. Now let's take an example from the retail industry to illustrate the calculation. Okay, so year one value in 2019, let's assume, is 25,000, and in 2020 it is $35,000. It could be your currency. You simply have to hit compute and it calculates annual growth rate, which is 40%. Now, YOY calculator is a valuable tool for businesses to track and compare their growth rates over time. It provides insights into performance, helps in making data driven decisions, and allows for easy comparisons with similar companies in the industry. So, if you want to check out our tool, please refer to the link in the description below. And if you're looking for a growth partner, reach out to us from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.